Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Impressionist brush tool is designed to simulate the brush strokes of a fine art painting. The Impressionist brush gives you the same tool options as the brush tool. However, by clicking the Advanced button in the Tool Options bar, you can also change the brush's style, area, and tolerance. The style provides brush styles related to an Impressionist style of painting, including loose curl and dab styles. The area sets the brush stroke size. The tolerance sets the range of colors similar to the one you will remove. A low tolerance lets the brush only change pixels with a color very similar to the one you select. A higher tolerance changes pixels with a wider color range that are similar to the one that you click. After choosing your settings, just click and drag in your image to apply the effect.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.